Blacktop's bad bike build. Their plan is to take a full-size Harley down to the frame, chop it, rebuild it, and then sell it to benefit the American Diabetes Association. Checking.
Alright, hey everybody, it's Tony.
Billy with Blacktop Magazine.
And so we're here in Canberra Speed Shop, and we're talking about the bad bike build.
Yes, we are.
Right.
We took some time off, but we're back at it.
Right. And back at it with a vengeance, I might say, because if you see the bike behind us, it's got a whole different look.
There it is.
You know, it's longer, lower, and rigid.
Yep.
So I got a hold of Ron Canberra here, and he said he wanted to help us out with the bike.
Yep.
And that prompted me to call Michael over Voodoo Vintage, and we got a hold of their Hardtail kit, and that is just really sweet. So his expert welder, Devin Tobin, welded it all up, and it just looks awesome, fits perfect. And then, so in order to do that, we had to shorten the front end so it sits nice and level. So again,
that came out nice.
Yeah, it was fun watching Devin, I gotta say, because he had this look on his face like, oh man, I'm cutting up a perfectly good front end, you know, or I'm cutting up a perfectly good frame, you know, but when he was all done, he's like, oh man, I want this bike. Yeah.
He did some great welds too.
Oh yeah.
Great welds.
But yeah, all TIG welded and plug welded, and he got rod. He put a rod in through the tube on the fork, so it's really sturdy, and just a great job on it. So there's a couple things we need. We're still looking for a oil bag and battery holder situation.
Yep.
Rear fender. We're going to modify the tank. Still looking at what we want to do with bars, if we're going to keep these bars or not. But that's why we're at this stage right now. So it's a perfect time for that. You're cleaning up the transmission.
Yep.
So, man, I tell you, I'm really pleased with what's going on.
Yeah, me too. We don't really need that much stuff.
No.
Yeah.
So take a look at badbikebuild.com or Blacktop Magazine. Follow us on Blacktop TV.
Yeah, and just keep watching for when it's going to be gone.
Right. Yep. All right. So everybody, take it easy, and we look forward to showing you more of the progress.
And it could be yours.
That's right. All right.
See it.
See it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Blacktop TV on YouTube.